Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to open a lockbox and how to get the keys out of it and start driving. You guys, first you got to show your selfie and driver's license for security reasons at the rental place. And then you look for your car. By the time you get to the car, you should at least have the number that's given to you from the rental place. And that number or code goes into this lockbox. There's a varieties. This one's a Keyguard Pro, and you open it up. And in case you put in a wrong input like that, you just press this to reset. So the key I have is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then open up. Oh, hey, look, my keys. So now I can drive. So now I'm gonna unlock the car. It's the Buick. Or wait, it was already locked or unlocked. I don't know what. And then you start the car, and then you get it out, and then you just lift it up again. And I'm just gonna turn off the car. You just let's lock it again, so this is just not, flapping everywhere. And you won't need it anymore, as this will go into the glove box, and this is where you'll store the lock box until you return it back to the dealer.